welcome to Veganuary day 27.
Oh my gosh, it's almost over.
I know January is not over yet, but we wanted to talk about our favorites today for this month.
We're in the December of our Veganuary.
We are.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Actually, November maybe.
All right, well, we have a few
Veganuary favorites.
Yeah, and when I say a few, I mean several. Maybe like a dozen.
Shall I go first?
Sure.
Oh my god.
Well, let's talk about some snacks.
Yeah.
Oh my god, these Nutter Puffs are amazing. What company is this? Is it Nutter Puffs? Oh, it's Pop Chips, duh.
Pop Chips.
Pop Chips.
This is like a peanut butter Cheeto.
Yes. Which, the first time I heard
doodle.
about it, I was like, that sounds weird.
Gross.
And I feel like it's almost like a German snack or something, right?
Yeah.
What, didn't we try them first by like a German company? And we were like, this is odd, but then after the
product of the USA.
Well, no, it's a different one, but after the first two, I was like, okay, this is actually really good.
Yeah.
And then when I tried this Pop Chip brand, I was like, this is everything. Yes.
And it has a special like artist thing on it for a limited time, and I said this on the vlog too, I just want to cut that out and put it in a little frame because it's so beautiful.
You're gonna say you wanted that tattoo.
That would be a really cool tattoo, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
that would be a really cool. Yeah, it is my style for sure.
I will say the first time that I had the Pop Chips ones, we were eating them in like the little individual serving bag first, and they were good. Wonderful. Yeah. But then when we got this like bigger bag.
These are so much more moister and like
these
decadent.
I feel like have more peanut butter on them.
Yeah.
And it just takes it to the next level.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
So good.
Yeah.
Alright, what have you got? You got a little snack there.
I have a little snack here too. These are my kryptonite. I try not to eat chips, but
also for a limited time, the chips, probably not the artwork at Sam's Club, because we buy these at Sam's Club. Yeah. I
loved these like last year, and then they took them away, but then they came back.
They made them better.
Yeah, I talked about this in another video, I feel like, but they're the Off the Eaten Path chickpea veggie crisps, and now they have like the purple sweet potato in them. Yeah. So they have a fun little color. But these are so delicious, but be careful because they're super addicting.
Yeah.
Super addicting.
Those are really good with hummus.
I'm almost done with this bag.
Or just plain. Oh, put that on the shopping list for tomorrow.
I eat them plain all the time.
Yeah.
I rarely dip them in something just because the flavor is already so powerful. You don't need anything else.
I like hummus, so. My next up is a food with an item to go with it.
Okay.
I have been loving oat milk. It is everywhere now. I took my mom shopping the other day. She got Quaker oat milk.
Ooh,
they have it at Walmart. They have at least 3 or 4 different types of oat milk at the supermarket that I shop at.
It's really exploded.
It really has. Last year we had nothing.
Yeah.
And this year we've got like 4 different brands. Alright, so the thing I love most about oat milk is it's not almond milk or a tree nut milk, because I found out that I have an intolerance to tree nuts, and it is quite painful when I do eat it either by accident or on purpose.
Right.
So it's so nice to have that to go in my coffee.
Ooh.
And in my lattes. I've got an Arancino, a Nespresso Arancino. And it's basically just a little wheel that spins around on the bottom, and it heats up the milk. And as it spins around, it incorporates air and it makes it into like a whipped cream.
Yeah.
You haven't lived until you've had a delicious oat milk latte.
And you were saying that the oat milk is especially good for lattes because it froths up really nicely.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I'm sure they do add a little bit of oil into that to help it along. Because the one that we made homemade did not froth. No.
Yeah.
So they know what's going on at Oatly, or the
that other one we just got.
Yeah, the other one we just got, or the Quaker Oats one. Good stuff.
Okay. Tell us about your other snacks.
I love Skinny Pop. I don't have the bag over here right now, but I could eat the whole freaking bag in one sitting.
I know, for a while, it was Dad who always had the bag in his hand, but now I always see it in your hand too. Oh my god.
Well, you know who also loves it?
The dogs.
The dogs. They get
ravenous when that bag comes out.
They get angry at each other. Like, they'll take each other's heads off.
It's scary. We need to, like, put that bag in another empty bag of something else so they don't know.
They don't see it? Yeah. They'll know by the crunch.
I know. And the smell.
Yeah. Do we have any more snacks?
Well, it's not a snack, but...
Soy curls.
It's looking like one.
I'm revisiting soy curls, and they're really delicious.
Yes.
I buy like a 12-pound bag from Butler Foods, and it lasts like half a year probably. We've been going through it a little quicker
lately.
Yeah, but we haven't had it for a while. We're revisiting it.
Yeah,
and
we were eating a lot of tofu for a while.
Yeah. Now, the soy curls are really good, you know, in Mexican food, in like a pot pie. We're gonna have some tomorrow.
They're extremely versatile.
Right, we're gonna have some tomorrow in chicken noodle soup. So I'm excited for that tomorrow. And
the thing that I like about the soy curls is that they're so easy to prepare. Like, you just have to reconstitute them.
Yeah.
And then you're good to go. You just add your seasoning and everything, and they're really good.
Yeah, I love it.
Good texture. It's not like a gross texture.
Right.
Like, it's reminiscent of meat, but you don't feel like, ew. You know what I mean?
Basically, it's pretty much dried out tofu.
Yeah.
You know,
in a different shape.
Desiccated tofu.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Okay. Let's talk about...
if you haven't tried them, I highly recommend them.
Let's talk about some beauty products. Or beauty and whatever. Health. Not health. Aids.
I've really been enjoying this Hello chart. Why is this not focusing?
Because it's focusing on your
face. There we
face.
go. This Hello charcoal whitening toothpaste. It's fluoride free. It's it tastes really nice. It doesn't leave that bad breath whitening taste sometimes that you get after you brush your teeth.
What does it smell like? I'm curious.
It has a little mint in it.
I don't use this one.
No, you use like a regular one, but you should try that because I think you'd really like it.
Interesting. Is it black?
It is black.
Oh, that's weird.
It is weird, and it rinses completely off. I was afraid that it was going to stain my teeth black, but it actually makes my teeth whiter.
When you're brushing your teeth, do your teeth look black?
Yes.
Oh, it's so crazy.
And you spit out black.
Ah!
It's like kind of cool.
Okay.
But yeah, I really like it, and I like that it's cruelty free. It's vegan. I think you should try it. I'm challenging you to try it.
I already have so many challenges going on.
I know, right?
Okay. I am really enjoying, I've talked about Akira a bunch of times, but I just started using the brightening day cream because I was squeezing every last bit of life out of the other cream that I was using. It was like I think it was like the night one.
Right.
But this is the brightening day cream. Such a beautiful scent to this. And just like all the other Akira products that I've used.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel oily, but your skin definitely feels hydrated.
That's almost like a little lemon cheesecake.
Yeah, it makes me think of spring and summer, which also makes me happy. But yay.
And it does a good job?
It does a great job.
Awesome. Well, I can see it does.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. We have really been into acrylic pours lately.
Oh my god, yeah.
We are pretty much hooked. We bought each other paints and stuff for our birthdays because they're close. I just had mine. Hers is coming up this week. And we just did a couple of pours last night. I wish we had some to show you, but we didn't bring them down.
They're drying.
Yeah.
But you can see them on our vlog channel, so check it out.
It's really fun. The
possibilities are endless, and you feel like an artist even though
you're not actually painting anything. Yeah. But you are painting.
You're making choices. There's a lot more to it than it seems like, but it's not like you're doing a Bob Ross painting.
Right, just because you're not using a brush. There's other, you know.
There is a method to the madness.
Yeah, and it's a lot of fun.
It's fun.
You can be creative, and you're never going to have the same one twice. So
that's true.
It can never be duplicated.
Yeah. While we're on the subject of fun things. Okay, you actually talk about your cookbook first.
Oh, you want me to talk about this first?
Sure.
As I dump the whole thing over here, I should have gotten this beforehand. Alright, so I got, don't show that. I got this cookbook at Target right after New Year's, right?
It was a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. And this is a all vegan cookbook. All of the recipes are vegan in here, even though it says kind of vegan. the thing about this is they market it to people who aren't necessarily vegan but want to eat vegan sometimes.
Try out like a meatless Monday, or like
I think it's
a great meal here and there
marketing strategy to get people who wouldn't normally buy a cookbook that is dedicated solely to vegan, even though this one is.
It's accessible for anyone.
Yeah. So it's just like, hey, just make this meal on a Monday and don't worry about the rest of the stuff, you know, rest of the week or whatever.
There's some good stuff in there. We've already made a few of the recipes.
There's some really good recipes in here, and I really love it. I highly recommend it. It was under $15. I think it was like $13 or something like that.
Yeah.
And there's quite a few recipes in here. And check it out if you want. It's 30% off the cover price at Target.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. I just have a few things that I want to say rapid fire. So I have like all entertainment things left. Yes. Okay. So TV shows. Victoria is back on PBS. Oh, yes. Love, 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 love that show. Kimmy
Schmidt is back on.
We didn't watch it yet, though. Don't talk about it.
But I love it.
We're not watching it yet.
But I think we're
probably waiting until Celebrity Big Brother's over before we watch that, so we can fully enjoy it. But we're enjoying Celebrity Big Brother right now. I think this cast is a lot of fun. And I'm not hating myself yet as I'm working on it. So
we're also enjoying Gilmore Girls. We still haven't made it through
we're back into that again. We took a little break because things were hectic, but we're back into that. We're on the second to last season. Good times.
I'm really looking forward to completing.
Yeah, I just finally finished watching New Girl. Oh my god. Every episode in the last season, I definitely cried. It was so emotional. That show is so good. I really cared about all of those characters.
I guess it's not coming back.
No, it's done.
Oh.
I cared a lot about those characters, and I definitely see myself rewatching that in the future because it's so good. Also, with Jake Johnson, we saw Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse.
That was unbelievably good.
It was so good.
I was not prepared for how good that movie was.
Well, everybody was saying that it was awesome, but I was like, I'm sure it's going to be good, but like, how good is it?
I felt like I was in a real-life comic book.
Yeah, just visually, the animation was unlike anything I've ever seen before. Great. Music was fantastic. I think Kendrick Lamar was in charge of the music for this film. Yeah. And correct me if I'm wrong, because he might not have been. I may have just made that up, but I think he was.
Sounds familiar.
I think he was. And the writing was hilarious. All the voice actors, fantastic. And then one other thing, the book that I'm reading right now, Crazy Rich Asians.
Yeah.
I haven't had as much time to read lately as I would like because I just want to keep going, but I just have so much on my plate right now that I can only read like a chapter here and a chapter there. But woo!
I feel like we're the only people doing Veganuary videos.
I don't know.
I'm gonna have to do a search and see, because I want to see.
I would love to see this become a thing, like Vlogmas.
Every year. Yes, like,
you know,
Veganuary-ness.
Veganuary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but those are our favorites. Those are our favorites for January. Let us know what yours are in the comments. And until next time, much love.